Hello, it's November 2025. This is my first ever YouTube long video. Let me show you how to make one of the best hot chocolates you will ever make. These are the things you need. You can pause, grab all your ingredients and make it with me while I tell you a little story. And let me tell you a little bit about myself while I do that. You need a pan. आप कोई भी milk use कर सकते हो, but I love using lactose free milk because ये थोड़ा naturally sweeter होता है and I just really like using it. Abhi we are gonna add like this chocolate to it. You can pieces. 6 is okay. I think yes. And मैं तो direct ऐसा छोटा छोटा piece करके डाल देती हूँ. So I started this page about 2.5-3 years ago when I was like in college. I have studied BBM branding and advertising from NMIMS for my degree. Then I did a job as a brand strategist at a very good agency in Mumbai. I left that to pursue this full time. And then I got this studio. This is not my house. This is my studio. Another very important life update is that I also got like engaged for 5 months ago. I just posted about it and I vanished. And I shut up about it like it never happened. Kyuki it took me so much time, like both of us, so much time to kind of process कि ये क्या हुआ हमारे साथ. We've been like dating for like 8 years, which is a lot, right? तो हमने सोचा था कि we will take it a little slow, but it took us some time to like get there and process it. अब मैंने process कर लिया, so now I can talk about it. One question that I get asked the most: why did you get engaged at 24? I personally think that when you want to get engaged is a decision that only you and your partner should make. Felt like the right thing to do. And if I talk about the proposal, bro, he planned everything. He planned a nice aisle. He made sure my girls got me a good dress. The ring, oh my god. It's the most stunning ring ever. I look at it every single day and I'm like, We were both panicking. But I think he's definitely the one who takes it way better than I do. Before मैं भूल जाऊँ, we need to add corn flour to this ताकि वो thick जैसा बने. अभी corn flour ना बहुत ही जिद्दी होता है. इसको डाल के तुरंत घुमाना वरना ये lumps बन जाएंगे. So 1, keep this ready. 3, 2, 1 and go. 1 spoon is enough. हम लोग जितना बना रहे हैं उसके लिए 1 spoon is good enough. मैं इसमें शुगर नहीं डालूंगी क्योंकि मुझे ज़्यादा मीठा नहीं पसंद. And I've used dark chocolate. But if you're not using dark chocolate, आपको मीठा पसंद है तो then add sugar. I'll say 1 spoon will still be fine because ये फिर भी मीठी होती है. अब दुनिया में लोगों के पास हर किसी के घर पे cinnamon होता है. मेरे स्टूडियो पे भी था, but खत्म हो गया है. So I have cinnamon extract. I have all these fancy things at my studio. Like I get it in PR and all of that. तो मैं यहीं पे रखती हूँ सब कुछ. And then I use it for experiments and I use it for all my recipes. तो मेरे पास cinnamon extract है. आप पूरा का पूरा cinnamon भी डाल सकते हो. No scenes. I'm just gonna use like 2 drops. Yes. इससे your this thing has a very rich flavor. Really like takes it to the next level. तो ये skip मत करो. Now we are gonna add coffee. Now I like to use ये वाली coffee and not the jar because see, I have like this jar and इसके अंदर पूरी coffee गीली हो जाती है for some reason. Like you just add the गीला चम्मच and it becomes गीला and it's not the vibes, never the vibes. पूरा डब्बा भर के just have this and you can just use how much ever you want whenever. So I'm just gonna add बहुत थोड़ी डालनी है, so half a packet of this. That's it. ये thicken होना start हो चुका है and the smell. It's so good. I love it. How it looks. It should look something like this. ये और thick होगा. We have to wait for like 2 more minutes so that it thickens. So yeah, anyways, I got engaged. That's a very big life thing. So we wanted to give like enough time दोनों की families को, दोनों के parents को to gel in, jam in, so that the wedding process is much easier and more comfortable for both of us. I think the hot chocolate is ready. Is your hot chocolate ready by now? Now one thing I want you to be very careful about is कि इसको बंद कर देना टाइम पे वरना इसका base bottom जलने लगेगा and that is not the vibes. That is not what we want. Okay, we want this to be thick and creamy. Alright. We have our mug over here. I don't have lengths for this. ये मैं Banjara. It's very cute and the quality, bro. I love this quality. It's my first YouTube video, so please forgive me for the handheld shots. I promise it will get better. And I like to top this with marshmallows. अब मैं vegetarian हूँ तो मुझे easily इतने मिलते नहीं हैं. But there are these two brands. One is called Marshmelts जो अभी sold out थी सब जगह. And then I found this another one. It's called mini marshmallows from the select aisle, and it's pretty good. It's not as good as the Marshmelts wala, but it does your job like. So it's good. I like to like warm my marshmallows a little bit before adding because it's एकदम soft हो जाते हैं. Now typically you need a skewer for this, पर हमारे पास skewer अभी खत्म हो गया है. So you know what I'm using? It is a spaghetti. चलता है. Oh नहीं चलता है. मेरी spaghetti टूट गई. So थोड़ा प्यार से करते तो शायद चल जाएगा ये. 1, 2 and 3. Please, 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 please. Yeah. हो गया. See. Let's go. Hot chocolate, adding the marshmallows and adding a cracker because मुझे ऐसे अच्छा लगता है. You will really like it this way. So if you trust me and my skills, you should be having something like this. Now we are in the studio के hall space में. See, that's the studio. That wall has been painted by my friend Hiranshi. She runs this paint shop called Paints and Fun. Sofa and lamp is from IKEA. The mat is from Amazon. You didn't ask, but it's my duty to tell you. So I will do that. But let's do a taste test. Pick a marshmallow and then go in. It was so warm. I love it. With this, we come to the end of this video. I hope you like my hot chocolate. Tell me what to make next because you watched it till the end. I have one little secret for you. You can tell me what to do about it. We actually shot a video on our 8-year anniversary in August, which spoke about our entire journey. We actually made it for ourselves 10 years later, but I have this itch of editing it and posting it on YouTube, like the parts that we can't tell you. Let me know if you'd be interested in knowing that, and if you are, so फिर I'll post it. Cool. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon again. Please do whatever people do on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe. ये होता है ना? हाँ, यही. Okay, thank you. Bye. See you soon.